Hi, this is Camilla Blossom Bishop, and I wanted to share my land honoring kit. It's so important for us to be sharing whatever we can with nature, with Mother Earth, with the elementals, the spirits of land and water. They really are energized by our love, our blessings, our care. So this land honoring kit that I put together, I want to share with you so you can see how we can do that in a very simple way. And if you'd like more instruction, I invite you to consider the online course that I put together called Land Honoring Foundational Practices through Earth School. So the kit comes in a bag, and on this bag there are a few bells. So this is a way that you can call in the energies of the fairies. And then there comes with two pouches, really beautifully designed, and each one carries 5 different flower essences and 6 different cards. So let's say we wanted to honor the land where we live. We can set out our land honoring kit, and we can pull out these cards. We also have a small pouch and a bigger pouch of mica, which is a beautiful offering. Comes with a crystal, which can be used to activate and connect with the crystalline energy, the beautiful healing energy of the land. It also comes with a pendulum that I've created. So if you want to do clearing work or ask questions, you can use this for yes and no questions and to douse with the land. And so let's say that you would like to go out and give some offerings and connect with the spirit of land. You can lay this out. Take an offering of some mica. And we're going to hold it to our heart and just ask permission to be with the spirits and the energies of this land. We would like to honor you and gift you with some flower essences, some blessings, some gratitude, appreciation. Thank you. And the wind came up just as I was asking permission, and that to me is one way that the elementals speak to us. Now that we have permission, I'd like to really honor and recognize those indigenous tribes and peoples that have honored and cared for this land, the Chinook, Cowlitz, Yakima, the other tribes in this area, and those that I don't have the name of, I wish to honor them as well. And now I'd like to give some medicine to the land between these 2 beautiful trees, and they're really happy we're here, maple trees. So to do it really simply, you can just spread your cards with the intention that you'd like to pick either a flower or a gem essence, which are in one set, and then the other set has elemental essences. So fire, earth, air, water. And ethers. And in the other one we have, well, that's the air, excuse me, California poppy, Herkimer Diamond, Western Redcedar, green Bog Orchid, and Yarrow. And these are the ones, I've made hundreds of flower essences over the years, and these are the ones that really wanted to work with land and work with us. And these elementals really help us connect with which elementals want to connect with us. Is it the fire, the dragons? Is it the water, the mermaids and undines? Or is it that that element needs to be balanced or added to the land's energy? So we're going to pick, I'm kind of getting to pick 2 cards. 1 and 2. And just do this intuitively. They're like oracle cards and they make it really simple. The first card is the water element. And actually I was called down here where there's a covered bridge and there's a little creek here and there's a bunch of alders down there and really drawn to the water. So what I will do is take the water essence, the elemental essence, I'm going to read this card to you. It says, honor the water elementals and mermaids with 4 drops to direct more blissful flow. So I'm going to place 4. I'm going to do it on the ground now, and then I'll do that on the for the water later. But this is for the water. You can also place a bowl of water out and do these into the water and then take it where you want as well. And then honor your emotional body with 4 drops to harmonize your heart. So this kit is really honoring the land around us, but it's also honoring our bodies as the landscape within, the inner landscape of our own bodies and how they mirror. So I'm going to take 4 drops of the water essence. You can also put it in your drinking water and drink it that way. And water is a lot about feelings, so I invite you to just open to the feeling that may have shifted from offering that flower essence to the waters here and to my own waters. I'm feeling that myself. The other essence, the green Bog Orchid flower essence. This is a beautiful one for really connecting more deeply with nature spirits, with Mother Earth, through your own body, and also for the earth to connect with us humans. So here's the green Bog Orchid. We're going to honor Mother Earth with 4 drops to nourish the land with our human love. So why don't you connect with me through time and space. As we do this energy work, there really isn't time and space. So we're going to give 4 drops to Mother Earth. And just open up to the blessing. And I'm always amazed how I can really feel the Mother Earth, the land, receive the medicine of these flower essences, this vibration, because you're working on the subtle energy, and everything is energy. So when we gift our offerings this way, we're blessing and helping shift and open the energy of a place. But yeah, and for me, I'm going to honor my body with 4 drops to be receptive to earth nourishment and the nature spirits. So I'm going to take 4 drops myself. Maybe it will help me tune in and listen to the land and the trees and the waters here a little more. And invite you to connect with me and do that as well. Feels very grounding, very lovely and sweet. And so that's really all there is to it. And you can select special places on your land, special trees that you have a connection with, special altars, special areas where there's water or there's gardens, and selecting the cards and giving the offerings and taking them, spreading the mica around. I'll spread a little more. Oops. And you can also use this directly in the water. If you're sitting by the water, you can place the drops in the water and then within yourself. Or you can also, as I say, put out a bowl of water and then put drops in there. And you can even select them for the spirits of the land specifically, the nature spirits, the fairies, the gnomes, whoever you really want to work with, or the trees. Like, really ask what spirit wants this blessing besides the land. And you can go around your land and be offering and honoring this medicine specifically for all the different beings that make up the land. And that will be a great blessing and honoring and energizing for all of them. So enjoy your day and consider going out and spending a few moments of each day or each week or at special times during the season to bless the land, say thank you, and give your gratitude. It really awakens the land, it awakens the spirits, and creates much more harmony, balance, and love for all the places.